Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to give your Windows 11 desktop a fresh new look using Rainmeter. It's quick, easy and beginner friendly. By the end of this video, this is what your Windows 11 will look like. A clean, modern and beautiful desktop that stand out. Let's get started. First, download and install Rainmeter. Double click the setup file, follow the installation steps and keep the default settings. Once the installation is complete, Rainmeter will launch automatically and you are ready to customize your Windows 11 desktop. Next, extract the purple bloom zip file. Open the extracted file. Choose your favorite wallpaper. Then right click on it and select Set as a desktop background. Next, extract the Rainmeter Skinlight zip file. Once it's extracted, open the folder and get ready to install the Rainmeter skin. Now open Taskbar settings. Scroll down and expand Taskbar behaviors. Then turn on automatically hide the Taskbar. And next, open the Rainmeter pop-up from the system tray. Click refresh all, then load all the custom skins to apply the new desktop setup. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Windows 11 desktop makeover, please like, subscribe and share the video. Stay tuned for more easy customization tutorials. See you in the next one. Now open Task Manager and search for Rainmeter. As you can see, it uses only a small amount of RAM and system resources, which is completely normal.